Welcome to Best Hair. I am so happy that you're here with me today, and I am dressed a little extra today because Paula Young sent me a little something extra from their couture collection. This is a brand new wig that I am debuting for you. This is Sheer Mystic. Sheer Mystic is in the color Java Swirl. So first off, let's go ahead and thank Paula Young for sponsoring this video tonight. For those of you who may be new to Paula Young, you may have not heard about their couture collection. That is 100% hand-tied. That's right. This beauty on my head is 100% hand-tied cap. Now, along with that, we have a gorgeous lace front, which I will show you in a moment. So I have to tell you about this new exclusive color. This is Java Swirl, and that code is 9211S8. So let's break that down. Number 8 is gonna be your medium brown root. Now 9 is a dark golden brown, and 101 is your platinum with beige highlights, and 22 is also a blonde, a light blonde. So it's all mixed in this beautiful colorway, and we have the A-frame highlights framing your face, which they refer to as the money piece. Let me show you the gorgeousness of this lace front with this money piece. There are no knots whatsoever. Look at this. Completely undetectable. Totally. It is just amazingly gorgeous. In addition to this new exclusive color, Java Swirl, Sheer Mystic is also available in all 21 of Paula's preferred hues that you can find in the center of your catalog. Also, if you're on the fence about choosing a color, remember when you're on the Paula Young website, you can go ahead and select to have a color sample sent to you, and that is free of charge. Such a great feature. So I'm gonna go ahead and link in the description box below Sheer Mystic for you, so you can go over to the website and check it out for yourself. Now don't forget, when you're shopping at Paula Young, you can use my discount code, that's BBH20. Now that's gonna save you 20% off of each wig, $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. Use that anytime you shop until February 28th of 24. So I am going to go ahead and put the stock photo of Sheer Mystic on the screen. I'll also include her measurements, and we'll just go ahead and look and spin so you can see the gorgeousness all the way around. I mean, the dimension of these colors is amazing. This is the cutest bob too. Look at this, you guys. Just beautiful, beautiful movement. With your hand-tied caps, your movement is just gonna be like it's growing out of your head. It's so gorgeous. Now it might be coming off a little bit lighter because I do have lights on in my bathroom for filming. But it is just a beautiful, beautiful brunette. And it's just such a gorgeous salon color. All right, so I told you that I was gonna talk about the inside of this cap. So I figured the best way to do that is to just take it off and show you. So this is just a beautiful hand-tied cap. So all of these fibers are hand-tied into this cap, and you can see with the lace front here, what I refer to as the money piece, those are the blonde fibers that are hand tied in there so you don't see any knots. It looks so natural and totally undetectable. You can see the darker fibers here, which goes back into this hand tied cap. This allows you to part in any direction. You have free parting. Now it goes right into these nice soft felt ear tabs. We have a very substantial bendy metal stay. You turn around and we have the soft felt nape. There's also bendy metal stays in the nape. And with Paula Young, we have the Velcro adjusters. Now, because I am 22.5 inches around, I have them about as far as you can go out, but you can pull them all the way in, and that's gonna tighten it up by another inch. I do find with the enclosed hand-tied caps that they're so cool, they're so comfortable. You don't have any itching on your head because there is not any permatease. So there's nothing that's poking through at all on that cap. It's super comfortable. I would say that it runs on the petite side of average, but again, it fits me great and it is so comfortable. And they're super easy to put on, just the same as all of your other wigs, your basic cap wigs. Same thing, just kind of put it on your forehead, pull it back over your nape, pull it up, adjust your ear tabs, and there you have it. So gorgeous. You can see the ear tabs here on me. And I just color my bio hair with a brown matte eyeshadow. So when you are buying these couture wigs from Paula Young, I cannot begin to tell you how much of a tremendous value that is. You are purchasing this gorgeous wig with these high-end cap features at a fraction of the price of other brands, and honestly, a fraction of the price for some basic cap wigs from other brands. It's truly amazing, and the fibers are just lovely. We have your gorgeous Canacolon Whisper Light fibers. They're soft, they're bouncy, and it's so beautiful. I am so in love with this style. My prediction is that this is going to be a #1 seller for Paula Young. So I hope that I am correct because I plan to go back and order this in multiple colors. So fun. So now that I'm all dressed up wearing sheer Mystic in my fancy dress, I think my husband needs to take me out tonight. What do you think? I'm going to try to coerce him into taking me out dancing. I hope you all enjoyed this look at the brand new, beautiful sheer Mystic from Paula Young's Couture collection. I want to thank Paula Young for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous style to debut for you. I am so grateful. I just love it. And I think that you're going to love it too. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye. I can't catch a break with this weather, but I still want to show you this gorgeous, gorgeous new exclusive color, Java Swirl, outside. It's foggy, it's overcast. The weathermen were wrong again. So I'm gonna just show you in our overcast, foggy day, what Java Swirl is looking like.